ever experienced the management of the products inside of your ERP system or inside of your e-commerce web store, you know this pain. You have to prepare Excel files or XMLs or CSS files to import to your system. For that, you have to collect several files. You have to adjust those files according to the templates you have. Then you have to import into the system. It can take that time. It can take hours of your time. And we know this pain as well because we're helping our clients with the product imports in different projects, and the time is just something what we not often have. So with this video, which we prepared today for you, we would like to show how simple it can be. If you're using the AI tools and if you're connecting your Odoo to OpsWay's Odoo Resolution Center, the product import can be a matter of one prompt. So just watch it, and I think you will be excited about what you see. Hello, Tanya.
Hi.
What are we going to do today?
Okay, so in this video tutorial, we're gonna share with you how we can import a huge file of messy data to Odoo just within a couple of minutes.
Okay. Can we just try to make it a little bit fun? So I would like to be not experienced Odoo user who would like to use Odoo Resolution Center to upload some products. And then maybe I will need your help, or maybe I will do it by myself. I don't know. Can I play this kind of game?
I'll help you with pleasure.
Okay. So I already prepared the prompt. And I would like to... I think I would like to create a new product. And I'm attaching some file, which I have pre-prepared. Let me just load it here. And I'm afraid, as Odoo user, to do some changes. Who knows what I can do? So I'm asking agent not to change anything and tell me the plan. And then we'll see if I can go and proceed by myself or not. Sounds good? Can I click this button?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So now I have some result. No changes. I feel safe now. Okay, so I don't understand anything, honestly. So a lot of text. Sounds complicated. I don't have the time. So I want to have a help. Tanya, can I ask you to help me?
Of course.
How can I do that? Just send you a link, or?
No. On the bottom left corner, there is an icon just to invite a user. There is like a man displayed on that icon. So you can click there and select me from the list of potential helpers.
Okay. And I'm inviting you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I have received an invitation and I'm here in the room. First of all, reviewing the initial request of the user, right? And also reviewing the file. So here it is, a lot of data. Okay. And then that's what AI agents suggest us to do. But before that, I really want to clarify some things with you, Sergey. So am I right that you want to import product variants, but not product templates? So I can actually type it in the room.
Okay, and you send this question to me in here, right? Not the Resolution Center. So that's, yeah. So let's say I'm not on this call, right? So we are just, we just have this chat. I'm going to import product variants. Seems so. I'm not sure, but yeah.
Okay, so after revision of the file that you've attached, I think that this is actually the product variants. So I will just a little bit modify your prompt to AI agent and actually ask him to import, like I will specify that we need to import product variants from the file, and we actually need to attach them to specific products. But in order to do that, we really want to tag in the AI agent so that he knows that this request is addressed directly to him.
So now we have to wait until the variants will be created, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so let's wait and then we will come back when it's ready.
Okay, within a minute, we have received a detailed plan from the AI agent specifying like what was done, what should be created. He did some translation already and just presented the result. So really a very detailed plan that gives a lot of clarity and also suggests the next steps. So Sergey, does it make more sense to you? Does it look more organized?
Yeah, it looks okay. I mean that it's still like for not experienced user, it looks like a lot of questions, but I do like what I see, in the end of this message that I have to take some decisions. So let me try to read it. So empty cell handling, skip incomplete rows. I think it is okay, right? Bardzo duży, something Polish, XL or XXL. I would bet that this is XXL. Okay, so third question, currency. Yes, seems up for me. And then the next one, stock location. Have no idea. I will tag you here. Can you help me with that? And 5, duplicate SKUs. No idea. So I just gave you my input, and then please guide AI forward.
Yeah, okay, so I appreciate your participation. I'll start drafting a reply to AI. So I'm going to use your answers, right, because they are very useful, but also I know the context of the project. So I may assume that we need to use this, the answer to the question number 4 is actually we need to use this warehouse because that's the only warehouse that we have in the database. And regarding the SKU, the duplicated SKUs, we're gonna just skip them. Okay, so that's our reply.
And now we have a full plan.
So we have a full plan, and now we are just waiting for the final go from my side. So I'm tagging AI again and just simply write go. So right now we see that AI agent is actually doing some changes in Odoo. So before that it was just a plan, but right now we're gonna see the updates.
Tanya, where we are now?
Okay, so we see that AI agent is going to create missing product variants like in batches. And if we go already to Odoo to the product variants list, we already see that the first batch is completed because we already have like 50 plus variants created, and we can see them over here with our demo products linked. So we are in the right way.
Very happy about the results, about the variants, etc. It looks correct.
Of course, we have here the attributes, the values, the SKU imported, as well as the sale price. So everything is good.
Great. So then we just need to wait for additional 10 batches, right? And it will be done.
Yeah, of course.
Great. So let's wait.
Okay, so we see that the AI agent completed its work. So we have product variants created in the system. So let's go to Odoo and check, right? So we have all of the necessary product variants in the database. So the job was completed perfectly. And now we see that there was some kind of blocker. So I don't know actually what the requirements are. So I'm gonna ask Sergey to check whether everything is right and what to do with this blocker.
Yes, so I see a question, Jana, and I will be brave enough and I will decide, I will write directly to agent. So ignore stock level, please. So I'm sending it to agent, and I think that we can ignore it for this demo.
Yeah, I see a comment. All right, so AI agent reports that the task was actually successfully completed. So all of the attributes were created as well as their values. In the result, we have all of the necessary product variants created. And it actually took us like very little time compared to the time that we should have spent while importing this file manually. So I think that's a great result. Sergey, what do you think?
Yeah, I think it's really great. And also It was great to experience how we can collaborate together with AI agents in one chat and to make this import. It was quite awesome.
Yeah, of course. So if you're interested, just don't hesitate to use this function more actively, and we are glad to help you.
Thank you.